Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the launcher and Android skin you're running, because the approach depends on that choice. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, and tap Home App. This reveals which launcher controls the home screen. Once done, if the current launcher lacks an app drawer option, install a modern launcher like Nova or Launchair from Google Play. This provides the app drawer feature you need and prepares the system for the next step. Now you open the launcher's settings directly from the home screen or its app icon. This is where the app drawer toggle lives. Locate home screen or app drawer settings and switch the app drawer option on, or enable swipe up to open it. This is the behavioral setting that restores a separate drawer. Make sure to adjust layout, icon rows, and sort order so the drawer feels familiar. Doing this explains why some launchers show a persistent dock icon versus swipe gestures. Finish by setting the chosen launcher as default in Settings, right arrow Default Apps, right arrow Home App so the drawer remains active after reboots. If the drawer fails to show immediately, reboot the phone and, if needed, clear the launcher's cache or data to remove stale settings. This often fixes invisible drawers. If conflicts continue, uninstall other third-party launchers or reset home app defaults. That resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.